Looks like you lot are out of order. Let's get you in line from 1 to 5. Which one of you is the smallest number? OK, number 1, you're up first. Because you're the smallest, you go to the left. I'm looking at you next 2. Get in line. You're greater than 1. Right, 3, you're greater than 2. And 4 is greater than 3. That's right, 5, you're the greatest. Now you're all in ascending order. That's the smallest up to the biggest, from 1 up to 5. You might leapfrog the line, but 1 is still less than 5. Look, 1, if you want to be that end, you can be arranged in descending order. That's from the greatest down to the smallest. Even though you're on the right, number 1, you are still less than 2. Careful you don't mix up the order. Ah, never mind. Oh, whatever makes you happy.
Oh, I am Mr. McPartlin, and together we're going to practice counting to 20. Whether it's finding both your shoes, asking for 3 segments of an orange, or sharing pencils equally between your friends at school, we are counting every day, even if we don't realise it. Counting to 20 might seem daunting at first, but 20 is only 10 more than 10. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, there are now 10 counters in the chart. Let's continue to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done! Did you notice that all of the numbers past 10 are made up with a chart of 10 counters plus extra ones? Look closely as we count back from 20 at the counters. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. One chart is full with 10 counters and the other is empty. Let's count down to 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. How many fish can you see? Are you ready? Excellent. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 fish. Have you noticed that after 11 and 12, both 13 and 14 end with teen? In maths, teen means 10. So 14 is code for 4 and 10, 14. 11 and 12, they're a little bit different. However, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, they all end with teen. Over to you now for a quick counting round. When you see the flowers, I'd like you to count them as fast as you can. Ready? Go! You can pause the video if you need some more time. How many flowers have you counted? Well done, there are 11 flowers. Ready for the next one? Excellent. Even though you're trying to count quickly, try to count accurately. How many dinosaurs can you see? Are you ready? Great! There are 17 dinosaurs. look at the spelling of 17. Can you see how the word is made up of 7 and the suffix teen again? So it's 7 and 10, 17. Well done, fantastic. It is very important that you counted the dinosaurs correctly, because if one went missing, it's not great. Next time you go outside, count how many trees you can see. You could even count all of your socks and see whether you have...